In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export videos as MP4 in DaVinci Resolve 18. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Once you're done editing a video in DaVinci Resolve, you're going to click on this rocket ship at the bottom. You're then going to click on Custom Export and give your file any name you would like and make sure it has a location to save it. Then you're going to make sure that this is checked off, and as the format you're going to use MP4. The codec can be H.264, and then you're just going to make sure that the quality is what you would like it to be. I have it as automatic best, but if you don't have enough space, you can lower it and whatnot. There are some advanced settings that you can use depending on your project, and you can also export some subtitles. Now, once you have all of these checked off, you're going to render it, and it should be rendering and then it will export. If you want it to start rendering after you have put it in here, you can click on Render All, or if you want to add other ones, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to click on Render All, and it's going to export it as an MP4. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.